Imagine, you are standing at the edge of the world. In front of you, only void. But as you take a step, the void stretches further. The step never ends, because this world is infinity. But what really is infinity? Is it just an abstraction, pure mathematics, or something that parameters every aspect of our existence, from numbers through the universe to our very own mind? For the next 10 minutes, we will dive into the mysterious ocean of infinity. We will discover paradoxes, understand mathematics, touch on physics, philosophy, and even pop culture. Brew some coffee, get comfortable, and prepare yourself for a total mindfuck. And if you wish to go deeper, hit subscribe. This journey might be just beginning. The earliest traces of thought about infinity appear in ancient Greece. The Pythagoreans believed the universe could be reduced to numbers. But when they encountered the number square to 2, they ordered infinity world shattered. Square to 2 is irrational. It has infinity many digits after the decimal point. Zeno of Elea took it further. His paradoxes were designed to show that motion is an illusion. Take the Achilles and the tortoise paradox. The tortoise gets smaller head start, and Achilles is faster. But before Achilles can reach the tortoise starting point, the tortoise moves further. And before Achilles catches the new position, the tortoise moves again. In this way, Achilles never overtakes the tortoise, at least in a world divided into infinity parts of motion. This isn't just a philosophical exercise. Zeno's paradox makes us realize that when we fragment motion of space into smaller and smaller parts, we enter the realm of infinity. And although in the real world, Achilles easily overtakes the tortoise, Zeno reminds us how counterproductive mathematics can be. The 19th century brought a breakthrough. German mathematician Georg Cantor challenged existing beliefs. He discovered that there are different sizes of infinity. The set of natural numbers 1 to 3 is infinity, but so is it the set of real numbers between 0 and 1. And there are more real numbers than natural numbers. Cantor introduced the concept of set cardinality. Natural numbers have cardinality Aleph null. Real numbers cardinality 2 to Aleph null, which means 2 to Aleph null is more than Aleph null. In the world of infinity, some infinities are bigger than others. This was revolutionary, but controversial. Cantor was accused of mathematical heresy. Critics wanted a match to remain confined to the infinity. But Cantor proved that infinity is not just theoretical, it's a fundamental element of how numbers work. Cantor once wrote, "Infinity is real, even if we reject it." That sentence became a milestone in mathematical history, changing our view of numbers forever. Let's take the Monty Hall paradox. You choose one of 3 doors. 2 remain closed. The host reveals one of the others, a losing door. Should you switch? Your gut says no, but math says yes. This isn't about infinity itself, but it shows how our brain rejects probability. When probability scales into infinity possibilities, things get weird. Imagine infinity doors and each move generates a new universe of outcomes. Probability and game theory often operate with limits and infinity trials. This is where AI, algorithm, machine learning, and cryptography are born, all based on the idea that repeating an experiment infinitely can lead to reliable results. Does infinity exist in the psychical world? If time continues forever, then time is infinity. If the universe expands without end, the space is infinity. At the center of a black hole, density becomes infinity, and our physics collapses. The multiverse model suggests our universe is just out of infinity many bubbles. Somewhere out there are versions of you, made a different choice, and now lives in another universe. When we try to describe the origin of everything, the Big Bang, we still run into a singularity, a point from which time and space emerged, but which we cannot reach because of theories break infinity densities. Stephen Hawking. Singularities are places where math breaks down, so we must invent new physics. culture loves infinity. Interstellar presents time as a dimension where a man can observe his memories in an infinity continuum. Rick and Morty plays with the multiverse, infinity versions of characters and events. In the Marvel Cinematic Universe, the Infinity Stone controls time, space and reality, showing how universal the concept of infinity is in storytelling. Infinity is more than a word. It's a door that's always just ahead. It's the question we may never answer. But in asking this question lies the essence of our journey. Through the math, through the cosmos, through your own minds. If something is truly infinity, it's the possibilities of our imagination.